Officers responded after
house!
You said someone's in your house?
It's shooting the house! Somebody.
We don't know who it is. Somebody's at our house and they're shooting at us.
They're shooting at you?
Please. Yes, please send help. We have kids here. We don't know who it is. We don't know if they're still here. But they're shooting. They shot my brother in his ankle.
Okay. It looks like we have lots of help headed your way. You said someone shot your brother in the ankle?
Yes.
Yeah, they're coming lights and sirens as we speak.
Okay.
Oh my God, more!
They're in the back of our house. They're in the back of our house now.
Okay. Do you see the police?
Please, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh my God!
Help.
Sir, do you see the police? Sir, what's going on?
They're aiming the gun at my dad. They're aiming the gun at my dad. Please, please hurry up.
This is the dispatch audio as officers were being updated on the situation while responding to the scene.
There's a male involved in a unknown colored Dodge Ram, unknown plate. He's actively still shooting at the complainant's house. 911 is advising that they're still hearing that shots. Getting a duplicate call as well. That call taker saying they heard shots in the background. Subject's wearing a gray sweater. They're saying he has more than one gun. I'm getting another call in. One person is shot in the leg.
All right. Which house? All right. Hey, hold. We're being told that there's a party down the street, and suspect is still trying to stand by.
Go inside!
Where's he at? With me? Where's he at?
When the first officers arrived, nearby residents pointed them toward a house where the suspected shooter was believed to be located.
How's he shooting the people? Just go in there.
The shooter is inside of the house. Gotcha.
A woman could be heard screaming outside the home, saying that her children had been shot.
Hey! Show me your fucking hands!
Moments later, officers encountered two men struggling with each other and opened fire.
Sir Henry, we got two. We need more units here now, please. There's people screaming. We can't find the shooter.
Hey! Show me your fucking hands!
At first glance, it appeared officers had stopped the suspected gunman, but almost immediately after the shooting, a woman at the scene began screaming that police had shot the wrong person. According to witnesses, she repeatedly told officers that the man who had been shot was not the shooter. As more details emerged, the incident took a tragic turn. The man who was killed was allegedly the homeowner, who had been trying to restrain and disarm the armed intruder when officers arrived. According to his son, Carlos Racinos, the intruder entered the home shortly after 6 p.m. and shot him in the ankle before the homeowner managed to put the suspect in a chokehold. A neighbor later stated that the homeowner's wife repeatedly warned officers that her husband was the one holding the suspect down. According to her account, she immediately told officers they had made a mistake and that the man who had been shot was her husband. The homeowner was pronounced dead at the scene. This tragic incident occurred in Phoenix on January 26.
Please, just send him. Please! Over here, they got him! They got him! He's over here! They got him! He's over here! That's it!
911 received a call from a woman reporting a domestic violence incident involving her husband. This is audio from that call.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
West Osborne.
Okay, sorry, what's going on?
My husband beat me and he won't.
Okay. Do you need medical attention?
No, right now, I mean, I probably do, but I have my kids and
Okay.
I just want him gone.
Any weapons on him or in the home?
Yes.
Where are the weapons at?
I don't know where he put them, but I know there is.
During the call, she warned dispatchers that her husband had a weapon and told them he was likely to become aggressive if officers responded.
Has he done this before?
Yes.
What started this today? Why is he mad?
He moved in. I didn't want him there when he's not supposed to be here. And he refused to leave. And because I told him he's flipping out and he just kept on. And he tells me I'm going to be with him or it's going to be death. If I don't be with him, I'm going to die. He started accusing me of cheating.
You say you have bruises on your body?
I have bruises all over my body, cuts on my face, on my neck.
Do you think he'd be aggressive with officers?
He will. I believe he will.
Okay. Does he have a history?
Police received multiple 911 calls about a disturbance at a home. Callers reported hearing a man yelling and several girls crying inside the residence.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
A dispute going on at this townhome right now.
Okay, does it sound physical or just verbal?
It may be both, I'm not sure. They're locked inside the house.
What are you hearing?
I want my mom and this guy's yelling at the top of his lungs. I think there's some girl in the house. You guys need to come now, like it's getting bad.
Yeah, I'm getting officers started that way right now.
Yes, the little girl's looking at the window crying.
Phoenix Police, this is Natalie. How may I help you?
Hi, I just wanted to get a wellness check on my neighbor. The guy is like yelling at the top of his lungs, and the girl's like crying, and I keep hearing things get tossed around.
Okay, so does it sound like it's a physical or?
It could be. I can't really confirm for certain.
Okay, but you said you hear things being thrown around?
Yeah.
What's the address? Weapons or anything like that?
No, I don't know.
Okay, what is she saying now?
I'll stop.
Okay. Does he have access to a vehicle? Have you seen him get into a car?
No, I think he has a motorcycle.
Okay. Have you heard like a lot of fights often, or?
I have heard them fight before, yeah. Just not like this.
Nobody told me goodbye, Mom. I'm gonna die today.
I'm letting him know. He told you that?
Thank you. Yes, he did.
I'm so sorry he said that. What else did he say?
He said so many things that I can't even remember.
Phoenix PD! Come on out with your hands up and empty!
When the first officer arrived, he noticed a young child crying from a second-story window. A young woman then exited through the backyard door and approached the officer from behind a locked wrought iron gate.
Male upstairs, we got a kid. I did see a male come out of there, but I think that's the neighbor that called. Hello, miss.
Yeah.
You okay?
No.
No, you don't look okay.
No.
That's locked.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt? Is he inside?
Yeah.
He's inside. Okay.
Yeah.
What are we doing right now?
He just like tried to check me out.
Okay. Where is he in the house?
Upstairs.
Can that girlie come down or no?
What?
Your little girl upstairs. Can she come down? She doesn't look like she can come down. Do we have a key for this?
The woman told officers that the keys to the gate were in the suspect's possession, preventing them from entering the property.
He has it.
He has it.
Yeah.
Fucking shit. I don't want you going back in there because I don't know what's gonna happen next. There's no other way out besides this right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
How did you guys?
How do we guys what?
Shortly afterward, a young girl also came out of the house in tears.
Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, I'm gonna jump over that gate. You cover me and I can't kick that in. That's, can you unlock the handle? Well, I'm gonna go over. Hold. You know what, fuck it, you got the Halligan.
Here, just put it over the radio. Put it over the radio.
Don't come back in, come out of the house, come out of the house. Don't go in there, I don't want you in there. Yeah.
Hey, put it over the radio, the kids are
Moments later, officers heard what sounded like a firearm being chambered inside the home. Believing the situation was escalating, officers forced open the gate and entered the backyard.
You just cocked a gun, get that though. Get out, get out, go, get out, get him out. Get out.
Hey, Phoenix, please. Hey, put the gun down.
Get out. Put the fucking gun down now.
Once inside, they encountered the suspect and repeatedly ordered him to put down his weapon.
Hey, just commands. Hey. Back out.
Officers then backed away from the doorway and deployed a drone outside the door to get a better view of the situation.
I'm good, I got both.
Stop. No.
He's right.
Back up right there.
Yeah.
Get to the front, push to the right, hold right there.
I'm gonna get. What are we doing right now? Okay. Where is he now? Your little girl is scared. Come down. She doesn't know that she can come down. Do we have a key for this? She has it. I don't want you going back in there. I don't know what's gonna happen next. There's no other way out besides this right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's...
How do you guys?
How do we guys? What? Come here.
Yeah, I got a house.
Come here. I'm gonna jump over that gate. You cover me and I can't do that. Can you unlock it? Oh, I'm gonna go over. Hold on. You got the Halligan.
Here, just put it over the radio.
Don't come back in. Come out of the house. Come out of the house. Don't go in there. I don't want you in there.
Someone got blanket or some shit for it.
Yeah.
Hey, put it over the radio, the kids are
There's somebody. He just talked to me.
You just cocked a gun. Get that. Get out. Go. Get out.
Hey, get the kids out.
Get out.
Hey, Phoenix, please. Put the gun down.
Put the fucking gun down now.
Watch out. Go cold.
Hey.
Back up.
After specialized units arrived, additional drones were deployed inside the home to gather more information. During the search, officers located the suspect unresponsive inside the residence next to two long guns.